Welcome to Introduction to Candlesticks. This video is designed to teach beginners the different types of candlesticks and what they're called, using the Poloniex exchange site chart. In order to create a candlestick chart, you must have information for securities, coins and tokens in our case, that contain open, high, low and close values for each time period displayed. You will notice that this information applies to two types of candles. Green candle indicates buying pressure. The bottom of the green candle represents the opening price of the time period. The top of the candle represents the closing price. This indicates that the price has risen over a time period. A long green candle indicates strong buying pressure. Red candle indicates selling pressure. The top of the red candle represents the opening price of the time period. The bottom of the red candle represents the closing price. This indicates that the price has fallen over the time period. A long red candle indicates strong selling pressure. The candles are shown on a chart measured in time periods and price. The right-hand line is the price as a ratio to another currency, for example Bitcoin. The bottom line represents the time period, in minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or the entire period. We have covered the open and close indicators. Next we will look at the highs and lows within the time period. The high and low indicators are called wicks. The wicks indicate the highs and lows of a trading period. There are many variations. Here are some. Maribozu do not have upper or lower wicks. Spinning tops indicate indecision. The small body shows little difference in price from open to close. The wicks represent much greater movement over the trading period, both higher and lower. The hammer and hanging man candlesticks have short bodies at the top and long wicks coming out the bottom. The inverted hammer and shooting star have short bodies down the bottom and long wicks coming out the top. DOJI form when an opening and closing price are virtually equal. The length of the upper and lower wicks can vary. The resulting candlestick looks like a cross. Alone, DOJI are neutral patterns. Prices move above and below the opening level during the session, but close at or near the opening level. Long-legged DOJI have long upper and lower wicks that are almost equal in length. These DOJI reflect a great amount of indecision in the market. Long-legged DOJI indicate that prices traded well above and well below the session's opening level, but closed virtually even with the opening price. Dragonfly DOJI form when the open, high and close are equal, and the low creates a long lower wick. The resulting candlestick looks like a T. Gravestone DOJI form when the open, low and close are equal, and the high creates a long upper wick. The resulting candlestick looks like an upside down T. This is a typical Poloniex chart showing different types of candles. In the next video, we will discuss how these candlesticks reflect movement in the Poloniex chart.